Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to mention all friends in Facebook comments. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Facebook application and sign in your account. After that, just go ahead and create a post. So let me just go ahead and type test. So just like that. So I'm gonna share this post. So now what you need to do is to click on the comment section and type at friends, then space. Okay? So don't select in any of these options, okay? So just go ahead and type at friends space. Okay? Then comment that. Okay? And that automatically mention all of your friends here on this post. Okay? And that is how you mention all friends in Facebook comments. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!